Marry for money or marry for love?
Love.
Now, step into the dazzling world of Joan Collins, the legendary diva who turned 90 in May 2023. With boundless self-assurance, she proudly flaunts her fabulous bikini body, proving that age is no obstacle to embracing the poolside. In a recent, captivating interview, she playfully confesses that she still feels like a vibrant 40-year-old. Honored with the title of Dame, Joan continues to dominate show business, portraying Wallis Simpson in the upcoming biopic In Bed with the Duchess and charming readers with her 17th book, The Irresistible of My Unapologetic Diaries. While she credits her timeless beauty to the remarkable genes inherited from her parents, she also reveals that her husband, who is 32 years her junior, helps her stay youthful. However, her secret to lasting vitality goes beyond just genetics and love. Here, we dive into the 5 factors that keep this iconic figure radiating youthful energy, even at 90. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest content. If you're enjoying the video, smash that like button and show your support. Also, drop a comment below to share your thoughts, experiences, or questions. We'd love to hear from you. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Joan Collins' first secret to youth: a healthy love life. Joan has often said that her youthful glow comes down to one thing: a fulfilling love life. In her book, The World According to Joan, she writes passionately about the importance of love and intimacy in feeling good. Referring to famous women like Sarah Bernhardt and Coco Chanel, who enjoyed romance well into their later years, she insists that romance never fades if you truly believe in it. When asked by show host Kay Adams about the 3 most important elements in her relationship with her husband Percy, Joan's response was love, love, love. She humorously remarked that Percy, 32 years her junior, keeps her feeling young. After all, he's her 5th husband, and she's been with him longer than all her previous marriages combined. When asked about the perks of having a younger partner, she teased, "Take a guess?" Joan Collins' beauty routine. Joan adheres to a consistent skincare routine, rooted in discipline. She never goes to bed without removing her makeup and always uses a rich night cream, a practice her mother instilled in her at the age of 14. Joan believes makeup not only enhances her look but also protects her skin, dismissing the trend of letting your skin breathe. In her beauty routine, Joan swears by a flawless foundation to mask any signs of aging, emphasizing it's all about the base, not Botox. She avoids the no-makeup trend, favoring a bold smoky eye and, when going out, adds false lashes for extra impact. To finish, she always wears lipstick, calling it the queen of cosmetics for an effortlessly fabulous look. Joan Collins' biggest beauty tip: SPF always. Joan's top beauty advice is simple: avoid the sun. Since her early 20s, she's used sun protection daily, keeping her face shielded from harmful UV rays. She mentioned in an interview that she has consistently worn SPF to preserve her skin. Joan Collins' hair care. Maintaining her signature hairstyle is essential for Joan. She openly admits to wearing wigs, which she finds convenient. Additionally, she takes omega oils and vitamin E supplements to promote hair thickness and growth. Joan Collins on attitude. Be happy. Joan knows that true youthfulness comes from within. She feels blessed to have a natural, happy gene and an energetic spirit. Despite her hard work, she wakes up each day feeling grateful and fortunate. She also credits her youthful energy to her healthy lifestyle, avoiding smoking, drugs, and excessive drinking, even during her Hollywood prime. Age is just a number. Joan believes that age is more about how you feel, look, and act than the number itself. She suggests that asking a woman's age is unnecessary and recalls being labeled older as early as age 38. Joan Collins' top 5 foods for beauty. A healthy diet is vital for Joan, who believes that what you eat is as crucial for beauty as skincare products. Avocados are a key part of her diet, as are supplements like vitamin C, E, and omega oils. She enjoys lean proteins such as chicken and salmon, as well as vegetables, particularly broccoli. She also admits to a weakness for chocolate, keeping a hidden stash for occasional indulgence. For Joan, Eating avocados, salmon, nuts, and fresh vegetables is essential for a glowing complexion. She practices moderation, never overeating, and keeping portions in check. She doesn't shy away from dessert, coffee, or wine, but believes in balancing indulgences with self-discipline. Joan Collins on exercise. Joan advocates for light, regular exercise, and portion control. In London, she has a personal trainer who works with her twice a week. And in the summer, she swims daily. She's also an avid dancer, especially to Pharrell Williams' song, Happy. Joan Collins on health. Regular checkups. Joan is a strong advocate for regular health checkups, particularly after losing her sister, Jackie Collins, and their mother to breast cancer. She regrets that her sister didn't get regular mammograms and ensures she follows her doctor's advice for screenings, aiming for every 2 years now. Through nurturing her romantic relationships, maintaining her appearance, fostering a positive attitude, embracing a balanced diet, engaging in light exercise, and prioritizing health checkups, Joan Collins embodies a vibrant and fulfilled life at 90. Her approach reminds us that it's not just about aging gracefully, but thriving in every stage of life. Joan Collins exemplifies that age is simply a number, embracing a life filled with joy, discipline, and resilience. Her radiant energy, timeless beauty, and zest for life prove that with the right mindset, self-care, and a touch of glamour, one can continue to thrive at any age. Joan's journey shows us all that taking care of ourselves, inside and out, can lead to a truly fulfilling life. If Joan's inspiring story and secrets to longevity resonated with you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a boost, and subscribe for more incredible stories about health, beauty, and timeless icons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.